What if the very thing aging your face every single day is not your skin, not your wrinkles, but the shape of your haircut sitting just above it? There are haircuts that quietly add years to your face the moment you step out the door. And there are others, very specific ones, that can instantly lift your features and take years off your appearance without a single product or procedure. Today I am showing you 7 of those haircuts, and the 7th one is the one most women over 60 are afraid to try, yet hairstylists quietly recommend it the most. Stay until the end. Welcome to Glow at Every Age. If you are new here, subscribe now. This is where real affordable style for women over 60 lives. And to my returning ladies, welcome back. Let us get into it. Part 1, Why your haircut matters more than you think. Before we get into the 7 haircuts, I want you to understand something most people never explain properly. Your hair frames your face the exact same way a frame surrounds a beautiful painting. The wrong frame distracts. The right frame highlights. And after 60, this becomes even more important because the volume, texture, and natural movement of our hair tends to change. So as we go through these 7, I want you thinking about your own face shape, your hair texture, and which one feels right for you. Haircut 1, the soft layered bob. This is not the blunt heavy bob from years ago. This is a soft layered version, and the difference completely changes the effect. Soft layers around the face create gentle movement instead of a stiff straight line. This movement is what tricks the eye into seeing lift and softness rather than heaviness. It works beautifully on straight, wavy, or slightly curly hair, and it requires very little daily styling, which makes it perfect for busy mornings. If you want one cut that consistently makes women look 5 to 10 years younger, this is often the very first one stylists recommend. Haircut 2, the textured pixie. A lot of women avoid pixie cuts because they assume it will look harsh. But a textured pixie, done correctly, is the complete opposite of harsh. The key word here is texture. Instead of one solid block of hair, the layers are choppy and uneven on purpose. This creates softness around the face, draws attention upward toward the eyes and cheekbones, and gives an effortlessly chic energy that feels current rather than dated. This cut works exceptionally well for women who want low-maintenance styling but still want a strong stylish presence. Haircut 3, the shoulder-length shag. The shag has made a massive comeback, and for very good reason. This haircut is full of layers, movement, and a slightly undone texture that feels youthful and relaxed. It softens strong jawlines, adds volume where it is needed most, and works beautifully whether your hair is silver, gray, white, or colored. The shag essentially does the opposite of aging your face. It breaks up harsh lines and replaces them with soft, flowing movement that catches the light beautifully. Haircut 4, the chin-length bob with side-swept bangs. This combination might be the most underrated haircut for women over 60. The chin-length bob alone is already flattering, but adding soft side-swept bangs changes everything. The bangs gently cover part of the forehead, softening any deep lines there, while also drawing the eye toward the cheekbones and eyes. This cut looks polished, intentional, and remarkably youthful, and it works for nearly every face shape, which is rare for a single haircut to achieve. Quick pause right here. If you are watching this and already thinking about which haircut you want to try, go ahead and tap that like button right now. It helps so many more women over 60 discover this channel and these tips. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We post new videos every single week designed to help you look and feel absolutely radiant at every age. Drop a comment below too and let me know, which haircut on this list so far are you most drawn to? I read every single comment and I would love to hear from you. Haircut 5, the long layered lob. A lob, which simply means a longer bob, with long layers throughout, is one of the most flattering medium-length options available. The length typically sits between the chin and the shoulders, and the long layers prevent it from looking flat or heavy. This cut gives the illusion of thicker, fuller hair, even if your hair has naturally thinned with age, and it creates a soft, graceful frame around the face. It is also incredibly versatile. You can wear it sleek and smooth or add a loose wave, and both versions look elegant and youthful. Haircut 6, the cropped curly cut. If you have naturally curly or coily hair, this one is for you. A cropped curly cut works with your natural texture instead of fighting against it. It is shaped to enhance the curl pattern, creating volume and bounce that instantly brightens the entire face. This cut also tends to require far less manipulation and heat styling, which keeps your natural curls healthier over time. Many women avoid cutting curly hair shorter because they fear losing volume, but a well-shaped cropped curly cut often creates more volume, not less, and the youthful bounce it gives is remarkable. Haircut 7, the buzzed pixie. The surprise haircut. Here it is. The one I promised you at the beginning. Most women over 60 are terrified of going this short. But a well-shaped buzzed pixie, with just enough length on top to add softness, is quietly one of the most requested cuts by women who want a bold, confident, instantly youthful transformation. Here is why it works. When you remove the bulk of the hair, the focus shifts entirely to your face, your eyes, your cheekbones, and your expression. There is nowhere for the eye to go except directly to your features, and when those features are framed by a clean, well-shaped cut, the effect is striking. This cut also requires the least amount of daily maintenance of anything on this list, and women who try it often say they wish they had done it years earlier. And there you have it. 7 haircuts that do far more than just change your hair. They change how the world perceives your age the second they see you. The soft layered bob, the textured pixie, the shoulder-length shag, the chin-length bob with side-swept bangs, the long layered lob, the cropped curly cut, and the buzzed pixie. Each one works with your natural features instead of against them, and each one proves that looking younger after 60 does not require anything expensive or extreme. I want to hear from you now. Which haircut from today's list are you most excited to try, or maybe even already have? Drop it in the comments below because I genuinely love reading your responses and I reply as often as I can. If this video gave you something real to think about, please give it a thumbs up. It costs you nothing and it helps this channel reach more wonderful women just like you. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do that right now. Every week we bring you fresh, practical and affordable tips to help you look and feel your absolute best after 60. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, the right haircut does not just change your look. It changes how confidently you walk into a room. I will see you in the next one.